Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm excited as usual because today I'm going to share with you guys my add-on picks for FabFitFun Fall 2025. As you all know, if you watch this channel, I have been a loyal FabFitFun member for many years. This video is in no way sponsored by them. I purchased all these items on my own. I'm just excited to share with you guys my thoughts about what are some good add-on selections for this season. So as usual, I will leave all of the relevant dates for the add-on sale in the description box down below, and I will also leave a link for referral in case you're new to FabFitFun and want to save a little bit of money on your first box. If you are new and are not really familiar with FabFitFun, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box, and they send you essentially full-size products of really good brands, honestly, that are coming at you at a very discounted price. They also have these add-on sales I'm about to talk about in this video that offer you the opportunity to purchase some of these items at pretty heavy discounts, and they will ship free, at least in the continental US, along with your seasonal box. So I definitely love checking out the add-on sales every season. Alright guys, so I'm not going to spend too much more time talking. I think if you're watching this video, you know what FabFitFun is, honestly, and just kind of want to see what my picks are. So let's go ahead and jump right into this. I'm going to move a little bit to the side here, as I always do, so I can share with you guys a little screenshot of the items that I'm going to be talking about. So I will say that this season's FabFitFun add-ons I thought were pretty good, as you'll see. I have quite a number of them. I always try to weed down my picks when it actually comes time to purchasing them. So I look to you all for feedback for that. Please let me know what you think about these, if you think I should get them, if you think I should put them back. I definitely have thoughts about all of these products. Alright, first up is this Vacation Sunscreen. It's an SPF 30 Classic Spray. FabFitFun has partnered with Vacation for quite a bit now. They offer their fragrance in a previous seasonal box. They offer a lot of their different sunscreen products, and I'm here for it. I essentially have tried all of them, and I really love this fragrance. I and also my kids don't really love traditional sunscreen fragrances, so I think the Vacation fragrance is just a really nice scent that's not like traditional sunscreen. So I'm going to be picking this up. I love this. It had got really good reviews. They're offering it for $13. I want to say that in the past I've tried and talked about in these videos the Vacation Facial Sunscreen Spray. So I love the idea that I love being able to throw it in your bag and spray it on your face on the go, just over makeup. So I have a couple of those sitting on my vanity now. But I want to share with you guys that I recently just got back from a Europe trip, and I was in Rome. And I had that in my bag, luckily in one of my little wet bags, and that thing just like leaked. So it leaked even though it was sealed, and it got so messy. It leaked on the outside of the container. The wording on the plastic was even melting. So yeah, not great. I hate to say it, but I will not be purchasing the facial spray anymore for that reason. But the body spray, I'm not probably going to carry around in my purse, so I am going to try this one out. I really love these products. Just, gosh, that was a horrible mess. I couldn't even really clean out the wet bag, and the wet bag actually did also leak onto my regular purse. So just trying to move on from that, but a little bit of a disclaimer that, you know, I definitely had a not so great experience with the facial sunscreen, but hopefully this one works a little better. Next up, I am going to likely pick up this When Pencil Met Gel All Day Eyeliner. They've offered this before in other boxes, and I've purchased that. I love Julo products. I don't see them around as much as I used to, but I love these eyeliners. I think they work really well. This is only $5, so a great value in my opinion. And you have to sharpen them, but they're pretty easy to sharpen. So I love these kind of taupey colors just under my, my eye. So the lower lid, I'll say. The upper lid, I tend to wear more black eyeliner, but on the lower lid, I want something a little bit softer. So I love this little taupe color, so I definitely have my eye on this particular product. Other beauty products I always talk about in these videos are their nail polishes, and I think they're great values. I particularly love these by London Town. They essentially always offer these nail polishes. Every FabFitFun sale I've seen these nail polishes, so I stock up here and there, and this time I kind of like this set. It comes with this Perfecting Nail Veil, which is a really nice, pretty neutral pinky color, and it comes with a high gloss top coat. I'm always needing to restock their top coat, so I think I'm going to pick this set up. Both of these come to you for just $8, so again, I think a pretty good value. I think these London Town polishes last for a really long time too. So really highly recommend these. As well as their nail file. So look at how cute this is. It's a beautiful floral print, and I have a fair amount of nail files, but I just can't resist this one. I think it's so pretty. So I probably am gonna throw this one in my cart as well. Along the nail theme, I always talk about how they offer nail stickers. So I've never tried this brand, the Cream Shop. I've seen this at some other retail stores around me, but I haven't tried this brand. So let me know if you guys like it. I've tried their other brands of nail stickers, as you all probably know, which I totally love. I have 2 daughters who love wearing them as well. So I am gonna try this one out. It's only $2, it's 71% off, which I think is a very good value. And it's little Hello Kitty stickers. So I don't know if I'm gonna be rocking any of these stickers, but my daughters definitely will. And they're just really easy. Just peel them off the sticker sheet, stick them on your nail, put a top coat on, good to go. So really excited to try these out. So next up in my cart, I'm thinking about getting this. I may put this back because it's pretty pricey, but it's a base travel item. So if you haven't seen my last video, I did, I think recently at least, post my base unboxing of my first ever base items. Since then, spoiler alert, I will let you see other videos of other unboxings of newer items that I recently picked up too, and that's to come. But I really am getting into this line. It's Shay Mitchell's line, of course. This has definitely been around for a while, but I just love the aesthetic of these products, and I think they function really well. They have a lot of cool little hidden features. I've not tried their cosmetics case, so I have my eye on this. I think it looks really pretty. I think last season they offered it in gray, which I almost got, but then it didn't match my set of luggage. In base, I tend to collect the beige color. So this one is a beige, so I may actually have to do this. If you guys have tried this out, please let me know if it's worth it. I think it's a little pricey. It retails for $78 and they're offering it for $58, which for me is still kind of pricey for something like this. So I'm still thinking about it, but it's definitely something that I have my eye on. Next up is the Stony Clover Lane cell phone envelope. And I think this is one of those that you stick on the back of your cell phone, and it's like a little card case. I love this for the color. It's 71% off, which is pretty amazing. Stony Clover Lane, in my opinion, is a little bit pricey, but I just love the look of their products. And I've recently been purchasing quite a bit from their website, and I will share that with you guys as well. But I have not tried this particular item. I love that gray color, so I probably am gonna think about picking this up. I've just really gotten into this line. I think it's so cute. I especially love customizing things, and it's been really fun playing around with everything. So yes, definitely something to think about here. And then I believe I just have one last item here, and I almost for sure am gonna pick this up because I just cannot resist it. It is so cute. It's from For Love and Lemons, and I do like that brand, but it's a puffer jacket and it has ruffled trim, and I think these little Sherpa accents. I think it's so adorable, so I'm almost for sure gonna pick this up. I haven't decided on the size, small or medium, but I might go medium just to be a little bit more oversized. I do not need another jacket like this. I recently splurged on a bunch of Free People ones, which honestly look pretty similar. But I just thought it's so pretty. It's perfect going into fall and winter. And I do like this line. So I am probably gonna add this to my cart. I think it's a really fun little accent piece. All right guys, so that's it. I try to pare down my add-ons so it's not too crazy because you do get a bunch of other stuff in your seasonal box, but these are the items I have my eye on. As usual, what do you guys think? I want to know, what do you think of these things? Let me know if there's any other particular must-haves that you've seen in the add-on sale. But for now, this is what I have. So I will weed through them a little bit more before I actually have to finalize my selections. But I'm excited about these products. I'm especially excited about all the nail stuff, but also that For Love and Lemons jacket. I think it's so adorable. So let me know what your favorites are from this season's add-ons. And if you want to check out my full unboxing, definitely stay tuned for an upcoming video, and also check out my next video I'm going to upload, which is going to be my seasonal Customize With Me video. So I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. Thank you for watching this one, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.